In my hands is the latest offering from Western Digital. It's a WD Black SN850 NVMe SSD that offers insanely fast gaming load times and next level PCIe Gen 4 data transfer speeds. Let's open it up. This is the 500GB model of the NVMe, and it also comes in a 1TB and 2TB variant. If you need an option that runs slightly cooler, all three models are also available with a sleek heatsink to minimise thermal throttling under maximum load for extended duration. The heatsink also includes a customisable RGB light which is controllable through the Western Digital Black dashboard in Windows. This dashboard also allows you to optimise your new NVMe drive using a game mode feature. All three models have a read speed of 7,000 megabytes per second, but the write speeds can vary between 5,100 megabytes per second to 4,100 megabytes per second depending upon which storage model you go with. All models are backwards compatible with previous generations of PCI Express also. If you're like me and you spend just as much time gaming as you do using the Adobe suite, adding something like this to your rig at home can really improve productivity significantly. Expect to see your render times improved, Adobe export times reduced, and vast improvements when transferring files. Game load times will be short and sweet, and expect to be the first in the lobby when everyone else is still loading in. The SN850 claims to have over double the speeds of the previous model, the SN750, and if you're upgrading from an SN550, expect potentially an increase of 3 times the speed. And if you're upgrading from a standard hard drive disk, this M.2 is going to feel lightning fast. To get the most out of your M.2 drive, you want to make sure your CPU and motherboard support PCIe Gen 4. AMD's latest release of the 5000 series processor supports this, but Intel currently doesn't have an offering yet. The SN850 is compatible with desktops and laptops, but it's not yet been confirmed if it's supported with the next gen consoles. But I'll be very surprised if it wasn't. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other up and coming releases. See you on the next one.